It seems to me that the way we communicate influences everything. It's not just the language that we use, not just the concepts and the beliefs and the ideas, not the English or French or Spanish or Italian or Chinese or Japanese or any language. It's how we communicate, where we are speaking from. Many of us have been trained to listen just to the outermost expression in words, and then to process those words based on our previous understanding, our prior knowledge, and we attempt to make sense and to understand what is communicated at the level of language. But this is considering that who we are as a being is primarily language oriented. Seems clear that what is said on the outside only represents a very small proportion of the communication that is delivered. So right now, as you're listening, you can hear the words, of course. Also, can you hear the feeling where these words are being communicated from? Can you get a sense of the vibration, of the creativity where this inspiration is rising from? Can you get a sense of who I am as the communicator? Can you feel me in the communication? So it's not just what is said, it is who is saying what is said. And it's also how the one who is saying is feeling, is vibrating, is resonating, is being. All of this is packed into the communication. So the proposal is to recognize that we are multi-dimensional beings who exist on multiple levels all at once, simultaneously being thought, feeling, sensation, energy, imagination, and many other things. And that all of these levels of our being are transmitting during a communication. As we learn to receive as a multi-track or multi-dimensional being, we also receive so much more in the communication. And when we become aware of this multidimensionality that we are, then we learn to integrate all as one. So everything is saying yes in what is spoken. Our words are corresponding to our feelings and sensations and energies. Everything is a match. So we could call this congruent communication or integral communication, full spectrum communication, holistic communication. It's a total transmission. So I'd just like to invite us to really step into that place of recognizing the hugeness of who we are as human beings and the vast capacity that each one of us has as we communicate.